The code pauses. For the first time in 5,000 years, the machine observes a rhythm it did not create.
Beyond the glass, nature's last survivor beckons. The cycle of metal prepares to meet the ancient rhythm of the mountain. No names, yet the pulse of the living still echoes across the waste. To rebuild is to remember. Even a small gesture of order provides a foundation for the life that still waits in the shadows. Water, the ancient architect of life, returns to a world that had forgotten its touch. The most ancient ritual of survival resumes.